Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel to track your business expenses. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Using Excel to track your business expenses is a simple and effective way to keep your finances organized. So here are some steps to get started. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your Excel in your computer. Now, you can see here there is available budget already. But what we're going to do is choose this monthly company budget. So here, you can track spending with this business budget template. Excel powers a separate summary of your top expenses and income, as well as the comparison of estimated versus actual spending. A business budgeting template makes quick work of tracking what your business is spending and your revenue stream. This is an accessible template. So let's create new. And as you can see here, you can create a monthly business budget in this workbook. Overview is in this worksheet. Enter income details. You can see here on the next tabs. So you can see, you can change the company name. You can enter your company name here. And here's the estimated and actual and the difference. So if you go here in income, you can input here the actual and the estimated. So as you can see, the example here is negative. So it will be automatically deducted and computed, and the interest income, asset, and the total income. You can also see here the personal expenses like the wages, employee benefits, commission, and total personal expenses. And also the operating expenses that your business is using, like the advertising, bad debts, cash discount. And if you want to put any, you can just put it here. And you can change the estimated and actual. It depends on the business that you are using. So if you go back in the monthly budget summary, so what you included in the income, personal expenses, and the operating expenses will be seen here in the budget summary. So you can see here the difference between the estimated and the actual. And you can also see here the top 5 highest operating expenses. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. And by using Excel to track your business expenses, you can easily keep track of your finances and inform decisions about your business financial health. So if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like this channel. Thanks!